Senator Matthew Samuda says the results of plastic recycling efforts are not in line with the country's national targets of approximately 60%. However, he says he's not giving up. He shared his plan going forward while providing an update on the ban of some single-use plastic packaging materials in the Senate on Friday.
Though plastic bottles dominate the conversation, the current framework which governs the ban has gaps, and they have been identified. One such gap is related to the size of bags which are banned. A technical assessment is underway which will determine the appropriate size increases and inform a legislative amendment this year. One thing that's not in the statement, and I apologize to colleagues because I think it was an oversight, it is in my draft in my phone, but I do need to put it on record. The government will also commence the process of consultation related to microplastics which are found in personal care products. Though not a huge economic driver, they have immense environmental impact.
He acknowledged and congratulated the efforts of plastic manufacturers by way of the Jamaica Recycling Partners Initiative or any other recycling companies on the island.
The results of that noble effort are not in line with our national ambition. My information is that less than 20% of newly produced bottles are collected for recycling. I would love to be incorrect. So if anybody has other data, I would be happy to be corrected. But that's my information. The USA, however, nationally is only at about 9%. So our ambition, Mr. President, cannot be based solely on what others do. It has to be based on what best practices are available for us to achieve our national ambitions. And our targets need to be above 60%, Mr. President. And we will ask over time as we build out this system to get formal declaration of this target in the way we have formal targets for protected areas. We need formal targets on how we manage our waste stream, but that will take some time.
Minister Samuda says that although plastic bottles are not banned at this stage, given the current unstable geopolitical environment, they require and deserve a significant focus from the government. He adds that he will be working with all stakeholders, including the opposition, as his ministry moves to develop the policy, legislation and operational ways.